Before learning the function, we should know the mathematical operators. Okay, these are the mathematical operators. You need to write these symbols if you want to calculate something. For example, if you want to do division, you need to write slash. If you want to multiplication, you need to write the star symbols. And if you want to do addition, plus, if you want to subtraction, you need to use minus. That is called mathematical operator. Okay, I'll show you one of the operating new and then spreadsheet. Okay, I want to do some equation. Okay, if so, for example, I want to multiply this box. Okay, I'll make like the box. Okay, this box, and then the reset is here. Okay, this is the reset. That's not the tables, that's just like the variable cell you can use. For example, if you use for example, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, if you want to multiply, you can multiply. If you want to calculate something, you need to write the equation. So you need to start with the equal sign, equals, and then fight. Okay, and then fight, not fight, the box. You need to see this is the box, B2 box, B2 box. The box, the values in the box of V2 multiply the value in the box of D2. Okay, that is called cell reference calculating. Okay, now you can enter. Now 30. You can calculate directly. For example, 5 cross 6, 5 cross 6, you can get 30, but it's directly not the box. It's not the cell reference, it's just direct calculation. This the just like the variable calculation. Okay, you have to see like the box. This is the box. For example, your basket box, or okay, in the box there may be another value. Okay, you can change. You can put the value this box as you like. For example, if you change 9, these two balls multiply can get this box. Okay, now 9 6, you can get 54. These are links. So this calls cell reference calculating. This direct calculating. If so, you need to change like this. Okay, if you link one cell to one cell, if you reference one cell to another cell, that's you cannot change. You don't want to change again and again. You just want to write with cell reference. Okay, now that's you may see the difference. This there cell names B2 cell box. You can see just like the box container. Okay, just like your lunchbox. Okay, you can put anything. If you put chicken and beef, you can multiply like this. If you put a potato and chicken, you can multiply. You can get this like this. Okay, this is just like your lunchbox. Okay, you can put, if you can get this box, you can put B2 box and D2 box. You can put anything. Okay, you can get F2 box by multiplying these two box like this. Okay, I believe you may understand. If you cannot understand, if please let me know. Okay, thank you.